Papaya, right? Yeah. Yeah. Can I kill any?
Wow. Is that heavy? Is that heavy?
Yes.
I see some monkeys were eating.
Yeah.
Monkeys were eating some bananas, right?
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here. They eaten a lot.
Wow, they ate a lot of the bananas, huh? But it's okay if we share with the monkeys. That's okay. So why do you have to chop down the entire banana tree?
So otherwise, it's the end of the tree. No more.
Once it makes bananas, it means it's the end of the life of the tree.
No, after the that banana, that's the end of the tree. So we have to cut it down, and then
It'll grow back again.
Other bushes will come up.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Interesting.